About what you are making
Citron.
and with a cup.
这是船上多余的板子，我要做个工具袋。包边的时候跟网上学了一个这个方法，非常好用。Perfect solution for bending sewing。板子袋做好了，结果一数，13个口袋，14个板子，少了一个。
Today I'm going to go and service this Wagner steering pump, which is going to be quite a bit of a challenge, as I do not have any manual for this, but I do have some service kit that I bought from the US when we were there earlier this year. Just open this up. So all the parts are in there. Once that's open, it'll be a bit of a show. So after opening the seal kit, we realized that this is the wrong seal kit that we got. You can see it doesn't even fit, it doesn't even remotely look the same. There's just no way that's going to fit on here.
Smell.
And then the actual part that we do require, or that was the most important, is the seal on the shaft. And I mean, you can see the size difference. Fully assembled, and we eventually had to cut out our own seals.
But it didn't work well. The bearing inside was totally broken. So we need to shop a new bearing or a new pump.
This drill is really biting a bit. Nice, finished.
This is the cabinet I'm going to add some shelves and put the kitchen appliance inside. Here the shelf is painted.
Engine room checks today. Water, raw water strainer. What a mess. That is now from river cruising, and that's why it's so dirty. So that needs to be cleaned and put back. Busy re-oiling the engine, adding new oil. Well, I need a couple of litres.
We're going to also paint the boat, but then we have this super beast to take with. Look, we got it in.